Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset app preferences in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. First you need to open the setting on your phone, then scroll down and find the apps. Here you can select the manage apps and wait for loading. Then click on the three dots on the top right corner and here select the Reset App Preferences. Here you can see this will reset all preferences for disabled apps notification, default apps and background data for apps. You will not lose any app data on your phone. Then click on the Reset App Preferences, and this all for today. Goodbye.